Okay, so basically when it comes to algebra, you need to know, of course, how to simplify. Okay, you just have to know this, simplify. You need to know, so let me list them here. You need to know how to factorize. You need to know how to solve. So the moment you get to know these three things, you are good to go. So let's look at question or example number 1 here. So I've decided to use this example 1 because it's what came in 2016 right over here. Okay, so they're saying simplify 3 open bracket a plus 5 minus a open a minus 2 close. So for the solution here, all what you need to know is that when it comes to simplifying, okay, when it comes to simplifying, so the way it is, you've got 3a plus a 5 minus a minus 2, like this. So you need to know that this element in front of the brackets must be multiplied by everything that is inside. So it will be 3 times a, again 3 times 5. Okay, remember that's step number 1 here. Get rid of the brackets. So even here you multiply a times a and then a times negative 2. So what is 3 times a? It will give us a 3a. 3 times 5, that will be a 15. We are done with this. We've gotten rid of the first set of brackets. Negative a times a, that is a negative a power 2. Negative a times negative 2, that will be positive 2a. Negative and negative give us a positive. So at this point we group the like terms. So we've got 3a, it will move with a 2a, and then here I can say minus a squared plus a 15. So here it will be 5a minus a squared plus a 15. So that's it. This is the answer. Again, order doesn't matter. If you want, you can start with the 15 plus 5a minus a squared. It's still the same. You can start with whichever term you want to start with. Okay, so we go to the next question or next example here. So this is the next example here. We've been given, let me write it here. We've been given 3 to simplify 3x. I'm talking about this example, 2017. We've been given 3x minus open y minus 2x minus 3y. So the first thing that you need to do here is to get rid of the brackets. Okay, remember here I just showed the first step. The second term is to, or second step is to group the like terms, which we did here, and lastly you add or subtract. So let's follow these steps. Step number 1, get rid of the brackets. Check what is in front of the brackets. It's a sign. This is negative 1. So you're going to maintain 3x, and then you say negative 1 times y, it will be negative y. Negative 1 times negative 2x, it's positive 2x minus 3y. Okay, so from this point you can now play step number 2. You group the like terms. That will be 3x plus 2x minus y minus 3y. So what is 3x plus 2x? That is a 5x, and then here minus y minus 3y, it's a minus 4y. This is how we got this answer. Okay, step number 3, subtract or add, is what I've just done here. Let's check out example number 3. Where's example number 3? It's right over here, 2022. Okay, so we've got 2a plus 3 close, and then 3a minus 4 close. So the first thing that you need to do here is to get this first term. The moment you see that they are both inside the brackets, so you're going to get 2a multiplied by 3a minus 4. You see, get this multiplied by what is inside here, and then you come and get the next term, which is a 3, also multiplied by 3a minus 4, just like that. So here it will give us a 6a power 2. Here it will give us a minus 8a. When you multiply 2a by 3a, it will give us a 6a squared. 2a by negative 4, it will give us a negative 8. And then negative 3 times negative 3 times 3a, that is a negative 9a. Negative 3 times negative 4, that is a positive 12. So we now group the like terms. So we've got 6a power 2. Here it's already grouped, so we can work out. Actually, there is a mistake somewhere. Here is supposed to have a plus. It's supposed to be a plus, okay? You have to be very careful. It's supposed to be a plus, such that here it will give us a minus, okay? It will give us a minus. So it's supposed to be a plus, so that even here can be a plus, because 3 times 3a, it's a 9a. 3 times negative 4, it's a negative 12. So from here, we can say we're getting a minus 12. This is the answer for this one. Okay, so these are the 3 examples for simplification. Let's try to do an exercise here. There is an exercise. The first one is simplify 4. So let me write it here. Simplify 4, open bracket, x plus 2y minus 3x minus 8y. Okay, so we're just going to multiply what is in front of the brackets by what is inside. That is 4 times x, it's a 4x. 4 times 2y, that is 8y. Negative times 3x, that is a negative 3x. Here it's positive 80y. We group the like terms, that is a 4x minus 3x plus 8y plus 8y. So when we add here, we're getting x here, and then here we're getting a 16. So that's how we got the answer for this. Okay, we go to question number 2. For question number 2, let me create some space. For question number 2, we've got a 4 minus 2b, okay, open b minus a minus 1. So we maintain a 4 minus 2b here. When you multiply negative 2 times b, it's a minus 2b. Negative times negative, it's a positive. 2 times a, it's a 2a minus 1 here, which is equal to, we group the like terms. We're getting a 4 minus 1 minus 2b plus 2a. So this is giving us a 3 minus 2b plus 2a. So this is the answer we've got for example number 2. We go to the last question, which is question number 3. Question number 3, of course, we are saying simplify 2a minus 5b, open bracket, a minus b plus ab. So we've got 2a minus 5ba. When you multiply negative 5b by a, it's 5ba. Negative times negative, it's positive. 5b times b, it's a 5b squared. We maintain the last term, which is a, b, which is right here. We now group the like terms. We've got 2a, anything with a here alone, nothing. And then you shall say minus 5b a plus ab. This ab, they've got common elements. So we've got plus 5b squared here. 2a minus 4ba, or we can say ab. It's okay. ab and ba are the same. Okay? So whichever you start with, it's okay. Plus 5b squared. That's it. This is the answer. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. This has been Isichamba Jacob. If you want to join our online classes, this is a number you can get in touch with us so that you don't miss this important program. Remember, we offer online tuitions in a number of subjects. We've got mathematics, we've got English, we've got science, we've got commerce, we've got civic. We've got many more subjects. So all what you need to do is get in touch with us on this number right over here. WhatsApp or call will be able to guide on how you can join our online classes. Thank you, and bye-bye.